You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. After the rapid growth in financial markets caused by expectations of increased fiscal spending, tax cuts, and tariff increases under the new US President Donald Trump, the so-called Trump trades slowed down for a while. Investors' attention is now once again focused on economic data that may affect further market dynamics. Since the US elections in early November, the dollar has strengthened significantly, and the yield on US Treasury bonds has skyrocketed. Against the background of the strengthening dollar, the market significantly lowered expectations of a possible interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve at its meeting in December. If a week ago the probability of such a decision was estimated at 77%, now it is only 62%, according to the CME Group. A month earlier, it was at the level of 84%. Right now, all investors' attention is focused on US inflation data, which may have a decisive impact on future interest rate expectations. In the coming days, investors will also be closely watching reports on producer-level inflation and comments from Fed Chairman Jerome Powell. With Treasury bond yields rising, investors have become more cautious about risky assets such as stocks. This led to a drop in major Asian stock indexes. The US and European markets were also under pressure. The UK will host a speech by Catherine Mann from the Bank of England, which may attract attention against the background of the recent sharp fall in the sterling. However, the main focus will be on speeches by representatives of the US Federal Reserve System, including Alberto Musalem, Lori Logan, and Jeffrey Schmidt, who will discuss the current economic situation. The Bitcoin price rally has led to a huge influx of investments in ETFs. As a result, investments in Bitcoin ETFs in the United States for the week from November 6th to November 11th amounted to $2.6 billion. The positive investor sentiment has spread to the Ether ETF ecosystem. On November 11th, Ether ETFs in the United States recorded the highest daily inflows in history since their launch in July. As for the dynamics of quotations, prices have stabilized at the moment. Buyers have taken a break, however, this does not mean an imminent decline. Trading volumes are increased, and the downward movement is not developing at the moment. Based on a combination of factors, updating the maximum price cannot be excluded. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.